I've just been out running, and to be honest, running is never going to be my favorite discipline. I feel like I'm going to die every time I try to do this, but you got to do what you got to do to keep yourself going. Especially when you're turning close to 50, then it's important to exercise a little bit once in a while. But this will never be my favorite, that's for sure. The reason for this video is just to give you a heads up if you are a YouTube creator, or if you maybe have noticed that all the giveaway videos that I previously had on the channel, they are gone now. And this is because of a tweet that I saw on Twitter saying that YouTube is actually giving out strikes to channels that are running giveaways and are using links for services like Gleam. I was not aware of this, so and I'm not sure if this is 100% true. This is the reality, but according to the rumors, it's the same as buying likes to run these giveaways. I will feel really sad if this is the truth, because I think it's a nice way to give back to the community. And of course, you could argue it's the same as maybe buying likes, but I feel it's a way of giving a little bit back and forward between you and I. So I feel it's a shame if that is not the case and that is not allowed anymore. But nevertheless, I decided to take down all the giveaway content that I have on the channel, because I don't want to take the chance that I get a strike, or even worse, that they cancel my subscription or my channel. There's simply too much work put into this to give up on that right now. So, in case you're wondering, this is the reason why you can't find some of the giveaway videos anymore. But what I can say is that I will find another way of doing stuff like that, and even if it's outside YouTube, but I'll do it in Facebook instead. So make sure that you subscribe to the Tech Drone Media discussion group on Facebook, and I will leave a link in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.